Hi guys, this is Tuesday, January the 14th, and I am going to give you a really quick rundown on my Stitch Fix yesterday. Okay, they sent me 8 items, and every one of those pair of pants was way too small. I don't know what the heck happened, but every one of them were way too small. That one black sweater, I didn't even try it on. Like I said, I knew that was too little. And that navy sweater with the studs on it, I didn't like that either. So the only thing that I kept out of that fix was unbelievably the top. That top that I thought I wouldn't like, I went ahead and tried it on and I really liked it. I really liked the material. So that is what I kept. And I went ahead and ordered another one because they offered me another fix with no styling fee. So today I saw where I had my preview and they had 8 items again. But 2 of them were coats, and I don't need any big heavy coats, so I scrapped those 2. So they are going to send me 6 items, and they're supposed to be coming next Thursday. So I think there were a couple of pair of pants, and mostly tops this time, which is good. So all right, guys, that's all I have for you. I just wanted to let you know how it turned out. So you never know. It's always good to try stuff on because you might think it looks bad, when you pull it out of the box, or that you won't like it. But then you try it on and you could be surprised. So I will catch you guys later.